Yo, I love Shillong. Yeah, we love Shillong, guys. So let's just dive inside and show you a little bit of vibe. First, what I love about this place is like the weather. It's so cool. And secondly, guys, they have good understanding, guys. Like the people here when it comes to driving, guys. Everything is different about Shillong here, and they are so unique. Like they keep their culture. And I already tried their jado, guys. Jado is like kind of rice, and they also eat with chicken and pork like that. Yeah, this is the most consumed food outside here. So plant. So plank. They call it so plank, guys. This is so plank. I don't know, is it a fruit or vegetables? I don't know. I just some people told me you have to try it out, guys. So they kept some masalas on it, maybe salt. It's not sweet, guys. I don't know how to say it, but it's like yam.